Important factors that can make or break your business. In this video, we'll discuss key factors that can make or break your business. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we jump into the content, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to make money every single week. And be sure to hit the like button if you are getting value from these free tips. Several factors can make a business. Some of these may be subtle and superficial, but in spite of their seemingly harmless effects, they can make your business prosper even without spending a single cent. On the other hand, some factors can break your business, so much so that spending a fortune might not help to make your business recover. Just what are these factors? Obviously, they have something to do with the people running your business. If you are running your business yourself, your entire business structure depends on you. Do you have to be good looking? Good looking is not a prerequisite, although looking good is. Neatness and personal hygiene are external qualities that people in business and shop tenders should possess, since they are the first lines of attraction. But more than just being physically presentable, there is a much more important attraction required in shops: a smile on each and everyone's face, regardless of position. A smile invites customers. Accompany the smile with a hello and other words that have semblance to it. By doing this, you will gain the momentum of a possible sale. Be prompt. People value time. Time cannot be recovered nor earned, so make the most out of it. It is particularly important that customers should not wait for long. Let's say you have to go to the warehouse to get the stock needed by a customer. Make the waiting time as short as possible. If waiting is going to require considerable time, let the customer know so. Waiting can cut down sales. So if this frequently happens in your shop, find ways to curb or cut it down. This is especially true in shops with long queues. The only solution is to add more cashiers, especially during peak hours. Be attentive. People would appreciate a direct answer to their questions rather than going around with questions. Mix your answers with kind and helpful words, but don't lose focus on the questions. To help to make the conversation pleasant. Are you enjoying the video? Be sure to leave a like and share it with your friends. Be interested in what prospective customers have to say. They may have a suggestion or two that you may find helpful. Leaving your option open to suggestions makes them feel welcome. You may not strike a deal or make a sale now, but you may be able to do so when the same customers return for a second visit with their suggestion in effect. Never reject a suggestion when presented to you, even if you know it won't work because you've tried it before. Accept it with the condition that you'll look into it seriously. The next instance is a frequently asked question from prospective customers. Say you own a hardware store and a customer walks in looking for a particular item that you do not carry. After telling the customer that you don't have it in stock, the next most likely question is if you know a new store that carries it. A no answer may not hurt your business, but if you know or have a suggestion, which is about equivalent to a yes answer, it can help your business. How is this so? Because you took the time to help the customer possibly locate the item he is looking for, he becomes appreciative of your gesture. The next time he needs something from a hardware store, you'll be the first one on his mind. It would also help to consider having an inventory of items that customers are often looking for. Remember, a little details can perk up a business to succeed. Alternatively, their absence can break the business instead. Thank you for spending some time with Opulence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.